Good morning, dear students. Today I am explaining the operators in Python. I am explaining today the second part, relational operators and logical operators. First we revise the previous operators. Okay, and previously I explained what is the operators. Operators is the symbol that trigger the operations or actions. Okay, and the data on which actions are performed, it is called the objects or operand. And this is the arithmetical operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, remainder and exponent. First, unary operators. Unary operators are do the action only in one operand. Okay, so that's why it's called unary operators. Binary operators, it operates or it's do the actions on upon two operands, are referred as binary operators. Previously explained the additional operators, subtraction operators, multiplication operators, division operators, floor division operators, module operators and exponent operators, and argument assignment operators, how we are giving the operators as a argument. Okay, so it is called argument assignment operators. And today I am showing the relational operators. What is the relational operators? Relational operators or relational expressions results into the two boolean values, and the result is only in true and false. Okay, if we are just doing the relational operations between the two operands, so we got the results only in the form of true and false. Okay, because it give the value or expressions only in a true value and false value. There are six relational operators are supported by the Python. First one is greater than, less than, greater than and less than or equal to and not equal to operators. Okay, these are the six types of operators which are Python supported. Now then these operators are basically used to compare. Suppose I am given one examples to you, and later you just do the all operators, do the practicals of all operators in your computer. Suppose I am given here APPLE, apple. Okay, in a small letter is greater than capital APPLE. So the result will be what's false. Okay, so on here the different types of we are doing. Suppose I am given the values in the form of values. Okay, 7 is greater than 2, so result is either true or a false. Okay, so it will be written the value either the true or a false. And relational operators are also having we are using these relational operators with the some arithmetical operators. Like suppose first expressions I will take that 7 plus 2 is greater than 7 plus 1, so answer is true. Okay, it also written the answer true because the Python first do the calculations by and store in their memory, and then after it will be written the results. Okay, so with the we just use this relational operator with some arithmetical operations also. And if we want to do the calculations like 5 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 5, so it will be written the results true. And if we are writing here not equal to, so according to that it will be written true or false value. Now next one is identity operators. Identity operators are used to check if the both operand refer the same object's memory. The identity operator compare the memory locations of two objects and return true or false. Basically, identity operator is used for for checking that particular operators in is in the second or not. Okay, so one simple example I show you. Suppose that identity operators are basically two categories. First is or is not. So look at this example. A equal to 10, B equal to 10. A is B. So it will be written true. Why? Because the value of 10 is stored in particular memory locations. Okay. So suppose these memory locations, okay, where the value 10 is stored. So it assign that address to the variable A. Same when we are giving the same value to the variable B, it assign the same memory locations to the variable B. So in both cases their memory locations are same. So that's why it's written true value. If I am giving the different value, so it will be written false. In is not case the work are different. Okay, suppose here A equal to 10 and B equal to 10 and I am using A is not B. So आंसर क्या आएगा? False. Okay, तो है ना उसमें, it is on there. Okay, non-logical operator. Logical operator provide three logical. Python basically provide three logical operators. First one is OR operator, AND operator, and NOT operator. Okay, so what is the OR operators? Suppose we want to do the calculations. OR operator is also written the value true and false in the form of true and false boolean value it will be written. And if we want to do the number string or a relational, so we can just do the calculation with relational operators. And directly if you want to do the calculation with number, so it will be written that number, suppose 5 or 0, so it will be written the value true. Okay, 5 means 0 से start हो सकता है, तो it will be written the value 0. Okay, so it is basically I am given this example. It is with relational operators. First we are using relational operator, then logical operators. So if what's the basically use? First OR operator, if in both calculation any one are true, it will be written true value. And AND operators, if the both expressions are true, then it will be written the true value, otherwise it written false. Suppose here I am given one examples, 5 is greater than 8, so the value is false, so it will be written false. Okay, NOT operators are basically used to not, it mean by NOT operators are basically unary operators and it negotiate. Suppose operators has not low priority, non-boolean operators. Okay, so suppose I am given not A equal to B. Okay, so it will be written the syntax error, and not 5, it written 5 only. Okay, not 5 is greater than true, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? false. Okay, because 5 is greater than 2. Now bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are basically work on bits. Okay, bits, what the bits? The smallest units where the our data is stored. Okay, smallest units of memory where the data is stored. So Python also provide the bitwise operators which are similar to the logical and express work on smaller scale on binary representation of data. Bitwise operators are used to change individual bit in an operand. Okay, suppose there are some basic bitwise operators are AND, OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise complement operators. So first, bitwise AND operator. In previously I explained the truth table. Okay, what's happening there? If the both value is true, it will be written true, like that. Okay, so the bitwise is basically operand AND, OR, XOR and complement. So in a OR, if the both values are 0, it will be written the 0. If the both values written, it will be written both values are 1. In this case it will be written 1. Otherwise the rest of case it will be written the false value. OR operators, if any values are true, okay, so it will be written true, not a false value. Suppose here I am compare the variable 13 AND operator 12. सो एंड ऑपरेटर लगा हुआ है, अगर मान लो दोनों की वैल्यू 12 रहती तो ये 13 रिटर्न करता है, लेकिन एक 13 एक 12 है तो इट विल बी रिटर्न द वैल्यू 12, false, lowest past it will be written. But in OR operators, if I given that 13 or 12, so in this case it will be written the greater value 13. Okay, then X OR is exclusive OR operator. Okay, exclusive OR operators, in this case both values are if 0, so it will be written 0, both values are 1, then also it will be written. It means by if any one values are false, then after it will be written the false true value. Okay, for example, if I am taken 13 exponent operator 12, so it will be written 1. Okay, because it is a true value. Then complement or a bitwise operator. Complement operator matlab, if I am given that complementary operators 12, so it will be written minus 12. Okay, it mean by it will be, if the value is 0, it will be written 1. If the value is 1, it written 0. So this is called complementary operator. Okay, so suppose bin, okay, so it will be written complementary values. Then expressions. What's the expressions? Whatever we are written in Python, whatever calculations, doing the calculations, all things are known as expressions. Okay, suppose simple I write that 5 plus 3, it is also expressions. It mean by it a little bit statement. Okay, for that first we read that definitions. What the expressions? Expressions in Python is any valid combinations of operators and atoms. And expressions is composed of one or more operations. It mean by here one word introduce atoms. Atoms is something that has the value, just like identifier, literal, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. All are the operators that have some values. Okay, suppose here I am given that a equal to 5, so this is called atoms. Okay, so the expressions क्या है? If I am given a equal to 5, b equal to 2 and c equal to a plus b. Okay, so here it is called expressions, a little bit expressions, okay, that operate on atoms. So in Python they are basically expressions, arithmetical expressions. If we are doing arithmetical calculations, it's called arithmetical expressions. relational expressions, logical expressions, and string expressions. In string, these all are using the numbers. If we are using these calculations with string, so it is called string expressions. Suppose I am written that a plus b, so it will be written ab. It means by it calculate these two characters. Okay, same in the place of character we are giving that string, so it is called string expressions. So thank you students, and do the practical related to it.